Kumana na wongeleku wa syiko sya amanyiwa imanyisyo sya yiulu kulika mituoni melu na aingi kutiwa ni thayu na aingi kuvalaan'ya walanyo wa kisomo yu mumbunge Machakos Town Caleb Mule niwakulya amanyiwa Methiwe na Mituo myalu na kuatiia mautao ala meunewa. Caleb aneena ivindani ila vikite imanyisyo cha Machakos University wala watongoesya walanyo wa kwa seki sya basari kwa amanyiwa kuma imanyisyo sya yiulu si kipathukanio vanthi ya Kenya dan mongelania vikite no kutwelasa.
Mumbungo wa kiliamuge cha Machakos Caleb Mule Mutiso ndanena chathini ki mwana vala watongwese walani wa kwa seki sya basari kwa amanyiwa kuma imanyisyo sya yiulu na ila sya kiuvundi niwakulya. Amanyiw'A su Methiwe na Mituo Miseo na kweka ukugwa ni mituo kuna kulika itindoni itembailu ila siende na kuvalaan'ya walanyo wa masomo.
Please take care of yourselves. I know you are adults, you are free. You know, when you come to the university, you are in a place where your parents were taking care of you, the teachers in secondary schools were taking care of you, the society was taking care of you, and all of a sudden now you come to the university, then boom, you are all by your own. The other thing is the relationships that happen in the university. As I said, you're by teen, you're adult, and out there you have the freedom that you never had. You can share a house with your boyfriend and all that. Then these relationships actually can get messy if you're not sharp.
Wengi niwakulya amanyiw'A asuma imanyisyo sya yiulu maikatume uthasyo undu vatailite na weka utume anzia sya mokato kumantha ilovia ndawetakana nivatoneka nzi isu iketha itumite amumasya mathayu na muno syiko syao yumituke vala etu imanyisyo sya yiulu maminite kwa sya thayu nyumbani sya Airbnb.
Living in a world of our own, it is a volatile society that we're living in. We've seen these Airbnbs that young students and mainly our students from universities mnaenda huko mnachinjwa looking for little pleasure and little tokens. I know it is tough and you would like to look for anywhere where your life can be comfortable. But please let us take care. And the other thing is getting pregnant when you're in school. You know, like a parent, you do not know how we have hopes in you as parents. A parent can sell whatever she or he has to make sure that you're in school. And when you are in school, now you come in and start messing. We expect you to be a student.
Ni uneni ula wakuwata mbao ni ma-MC ala meivona mumbunge wa kiliamuge cha Machakos dhini wa ya kwa seki sya basari.
There is money called capitation, money which is supposed to be given by the county governments. And we have said tukirudi kule tutaenda tupeane proposal pia. Hata sisi tukikuja kupeana basari tena tukifuata mheshimiwa tukue tumeensure in the TVETs mumepata the capitation from the governor, hata na nyinyi musome na mupate the equipments you need in your institutions. That is something we are going to do. Tumesema watoto wetu to interact with them, we give them assistance and we also get to know each other and challenges that are there. I think this is a big new dawn in Machakos sub-county and the Machakos constituency in general.
Our prayers are that you pursue your education with all the challenges and finally make it to the last day of your studies. You graduate, we have said we are fellow comrades, and our prayers are not that you complete your education or your studies and get employed. My prayers are that you aim even to become an employer.
Kuvikia vu amanyiw'A alama imanyisyo sya yiulu kuma kilioni mbunge kicha masaku nimaminite utetheka na kimanza cha silingi milioni 68 walasi kisuyu siambisha kwa maskuru nimekivothokanyo walanyo wa kwa basari wende na utwaiwa imanyisyo sya yiulu ila sya sekondari na kwa amanyiw'A kuma misieni ya ukwati munini. Daniel Mwonkela, Mutungwe TV, kuma vaki imanyisyo cha Machakos University, kauntini ya Masako.